The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 release date has just passed, and some users have already reported issues with the smartphone in the form of camera bump deformities, fog and dust inside the camera bump. As reported by Sam Mobile, over 100 members of Samsung's digital forums have taken to the web to point out issues they've noticed with the camera lenses and bump of the back of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The issue tends to be the presence of dust and condensation on the inside of the lenses, and also gaps between the lenses and the body of the phone. It's worth noting that, according to Sam Mobile's report, the issue have only been raised by users in South Korea so far. It's not clear if the problem is limited to units in the country or if people in other regions have also noticed it. After a series of complaints through email, this is what Samsung had to say about the issues popping up. Quote, Samsung is committed to ensuring consumer satisfaction and optimal experience on Galaxy devices. Recently, there have been a limited number of reports of fog buildup inside the cameras of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. As with reading glasses and other glass objects, condensation can occur in water-resistant smartphones when they are exposed to a sudden temperature change. Unquote. Well, you heard that right, not a big issue for Samsung though, but we are in 2020 and the competition is getting tougher. Little mistakes like this should be avoided. Samsung's phones recently have a bit of patchy track record. For instance, the Samsung Galaxy Fold was delayed for months due to durability issues, and the Galaxy S20 Ultra had one or two cases with shattering camera bumps. And we've still not forgotten the problems the Note 7 brought to the party years ago. After initially publishing this story, we heard from several Note 20 Ultra owners who have seen these gaps between the lenses and camera housings. One US-based owner, Joel, bought the phone directly from Samsung's website as an unlocked 512GB version to use with his carrier of choice, and already found dust in the middle of the rear cameras. The Galaxy Note 7 had a problem wherein its battery caught fire, sparking two major recalls before the issue was fixed. It became a well-known event, even for people who aren't smartphone fans. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra issue is nowhere near as severe, and you shouldn't worry about being around one. In fact, according to the Sam Mobile report, around 100 plus people have mentioned issues with their phones. That's compared to an estimated 780,000 models of the phone pre-ordered in the region. So even if we are going to generously say 200 people suffered from the issue, assuming some stayed silent or didn't notice it, that's just 0.25 of units that are breaking. At the time of writing, the phone has only been out for roughly a day. So we can't say for certain that the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra issue is just a small phenomenon, but the evidence we've had so far doesn't give us cause for concern. Kindly give me a sub if you love this video. My name is Kim Kunta. Peace out.